Today, I'm teaching you guys how you guys can fix your consent required on Instagram. So if you're facing this problem, then basically Instagram thinks that somebody trying to hack into your account. And this problem only offers when you or somebody else tries to log in into your account again and again. And if you type your Instagram password wrong multiple times, it's going to show you this. Now to fix the issue, first thing you can do is go inside your phone setting, and from over here, you want to go on General. From over here, you want to click on Words, iPhone Storage, and just scroll a bit down until you see Instagram. Alright, so I'll let it load for some time, and once loading is complete, I will search for Instagram, and I will click on Instagram, click on Upload App, and click on Upload App. Once Instagram app is offloaded, it's going to ask us to reinstall, so I will click a reinstall app, and my Instagram should reinstall. Once the process is complete, I should be able to open my Instagram and use it. And if I'm not able to use it again, then what I need to do is click on my Safari browser, and on my Safari browser, go to Instagram website login. Once you search for Instagram website login, I need to click a login over here, and it's going to take me to Instagram login page. Now from over here, I need to log in into Instagram website. I'm going to enter my username and password and log in into my Instagram account. You guys also do that. Once you log in into Instagram on the browser, from over here, you want to go inside your setting and turn on two-factor authentication. So click on your profile picture at the bottom right, and it's going to take you to your Instagram profile. Over here, click on the setting icon at the top left. Once you're inside setting, you can see this option called Privacy and Security. Click on it, and from over here, what you can do is scroll a bit down and click on Edit Two-Factor Authentication Setting, and turn on your two-factor authentication from there. After you do that, try to log in into Instagram using the app. Your problem should be fixed. That's how to fix your concentric water Instagram problem. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.